What are the best ways to structure mind, map ideas hierarchically? Imagine trying to organize a cluttered desk full of papers and notes. Now picture turning that mess into a neat, visual map where everything is easy to find. That's what structuring ideas hierarchically in a mind map can do for your study and note-taking. It's all about starting with a main idea and then branching out into related topics, subtopics, and details. The key is to keep things simple and logical from the top down. Begin with a clear central idea that sums up what you're focusing on. For example, if you're studying biology, your central idea could be human body. From there, create main branches for big categories like organs, systems, and functions. Each of these branches then splits into smaller parts. Under organs, you might add heart, lungs, and brain. These are your subcategories. Next, add even more specific details or examples under each subcategory. For heart, you could include pumps blood, has for chambers, and located in chest. Keep your labels short and focused so they're easy to read at a glance. Using colors can help separate different branches visually, making it easier to remember. For instance, all organs could be in blue, systems in green, and functions in red. This color coding makes your map more engaging and helps your brain quickly distinguish between ideas. Arrange your branches so related ideas stay close together. If two subtopics are similar or connected, put them near each other. This keeps your map tidy and makes relationships clear. Digital tools like mind mapping software let you move things around easily. You can switch from a radial layout with the central idea in the middle to a top-down tree structure, depending on what works best for you. Regularly review and update your mind map. Remove unnecessary details, add new ideas, and reorganize if needed. This keeps your map accurate and useful for studying or planning. Hierarchical mind maps are great for breaking down complex subjects into manageable parts. They help you see how ideas connect and build on each other. Whether you're preparing for an exam, planning a project, or organizing notes, structuring your ideas from broad to specific makes everything clearer. Remember, the goal is to make your map easy to read and understand at a glance. Use visual cues like colors and icons to highlight important points. Keep your structure flexible so you can adapt it as your understanding grows. By following these steps, you'll turn a jumble of ideas into a clear, organized map that boosts your learning and memory.